This is your Retro Minute.
My brothers and sisters, this is how it was. And in the 70s, it was all about the hair. Long, beautiful hair. Shining, gleaming, steaming. And the feathered mother of us all, Farrah Fawcett. So powerful that some dudes forgot they were dudes. And other dudes stopped being dudes altogether. And then the fro. Crossing all racial and socio-economic boundaries, there was the black fro, the yippie political radical white man fro, and the family fro. But the granddaddy of all fros, Sly Stone, bringing fros to new heights. Thank you, Sly. I'm Sean, waking up the memories.
Scanning the globe to bring you the information lost in your own mind. This has been your Retro Minute from GetBack.com.